Hi, everybody. It's Monday, March 24th, and it's super easy today. We're going up. The market is going up. There is two possibilities that we go all the way up to 6,000 and stop there and then reverse and go and make a new low. So let's say 5,900, okay? Let's say 5,900. So option 1 is we go up to 5,900 or close to it, maybe even 6,000, and then we go all the way down and make a new low. And this is a much bigger, sharper correction. And then the other option is simply that we go up and make a new high. That this was all, and the count would be that this is still a fourth wave. If you go back to videos several weeks ago, this would be A, this would be A, B, C, and then this is wave C down, and now we're going up to new highs. So that's it. That is it. And there's no way of knowing which one it is. There's no way. We just have to watch and be very careful at all of the big numbers. So every single day, you need to get put call data. You need to know where your put wall is, your put support is, and where your call wall is, right? And you need to put your stop underneath the put support, and you need to watch the market very carefully when we get to a call wall. And if it doesn't go over the call wall, or if it starts showing weakness or it reverses off of a call wall, take profits on your longs. Take profits on your longs, and of course have that stop underneath the put wall in case you're not by the computer or not paying attention. All of my stocks are coming back to life in pre-market. I'm really happy. Here's Tesla. We're off the low. We're attacking 260. That's wonderful. Tesla, it's a tough one. It's a tough one. I hope it goes straight up, but it might not. I'm in it for the long haul, but this hopefully is A, B, C for wave A down. Then this is wave B up. And then hopefully we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, or hopefully there's 5 waves down in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hopefully somewhere there's 5 waves in this wave C, and we go straight up. I mean, I can dream, I can hope. At least it's going up, but I really don't know. I am just a long-term hold. This is just a long-term hold for me. MSTR is also showing life, which makes me deeply happy. I do think BTC has bottomed and is going to go up. So for me, MSTR is actually doing really good. I would not buy MSTR until it breaks 400 to the upside. So we still have a ways to go. That's my thought on MSTR. BAC, Bank of America, is coming back to life, so that makes me happy. It's yet another long-term hold. I think that you could probably buy above 47. If you bought above 47, this is A, B, C. It could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this could just be a wave 2 before it goes down again. All right, you know what? Don't buy BAC because I can actually see that this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this is ABC up here, and then we have more 5 waves more down. Don't buy BAC. Don't do that. What other stocks do I trade? ANF is another one of my long-term holds. I just want it to go up. I would buy it here. Honestly, I would buy ANF. If I had some extra cash, which I don't have any extra cash right now, but if I had extra cash, I would buy. I would just buy all my favorite stocks, and ANF is one of my favorite stocks, so I would buy a little bit of that. Meta, what's going on with Meta? Oh God, that looks terrible. Well, it's going up. That's good. A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my God, look at that. But it's very overlappy. It's very overlappy. So it's going up now. But it looks terrible. It does look terrible. It doesn't look good. Wow. I don't have anything to say about this right now. At least it's overlapping. You can clearly see that the trend down slowed down. You could see that. It slowed down. So around here we were definitely approaching a bottom. If if the market is going to go to 900, if the market's going to go as high as 6,000, it's going to take these guys with it, right? It is. So if you want to go long, you could go long, but I don't know if it's going to go make new highs this time around. Oh dear. And then what's going on with qubits this fine morning? Oh my goodness. So I've been thinking a lot about qubits, guys. I've been really thinking a lot about qubits. And I was wondering, maybe on the 4-hour chart, we are either doing one of two things. We're either creating a head and shoulders pattern. So here's the shoulder, here is the head, and then there's going to be another shoulder. So it's either going to be a head and shoulders pattern, or we're actually creating support on this $8 level. We're creating support around $8. Which is it? I don't know. I really don't know. So here's the deal. If qubits were to go up and go to above 1129, you could try to create a position, because then it would probably make a new high. But I think we need to wait on qubits. So let's just say it's head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, then it's going to come back down to this $4 to $6 range. I would buy it. If qubits goes back down to the $4 and $6 range, anywhere within there, $4 to $6, I would buy a position. I am absolutely going to try to buy a position, assuming it doesn't just go straight up, which it could do. It could just go straight up from here, but if it's a head and shoulders, or even if it's trying to create support upon $8, it might go below the level again. It might go below the $8 level again, and then I would pick it up. I would definitely pick it up. So let's hope it goes. I actually hope it kind of goes down so I can buy it, because I don't have any money right now to buy anything. And IONQ, remember how I was saying we only had 3 waves up? We still only have 3 waves up, but it looks a little better. So if this high here, 2658, gets taken out to the upside, yeah, you could buy a position in IONQ. You could. That would probably correspond to qubits going to $11. So yeah, if IONQ and qubits just go up and IONQ goes above 2658, yeah, try buying a position. Do it. I think these are, yeah, I would do it. I would buy a position. And then there's Palantir. Oh dear Lord, it's going up. I don't like this stock at all. It's definitely a fraudulent little. I don't know. I'm not. I don't want to say anything bad about the stock. I won't say anything bad. I would not invest my long-term portfolio in Palantir. I would be a short-term trader. However, it is going up. So it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then maybe this is some weird C wave. I don't think I wouldn't buy it, because this can still be A, B, and then C, and we go back down to $60. That's it.